Hey everyone, Frank Miller with Believe Investing Group. I got something to share with you guys today. I got a great opportunity for you guys here in the state of Kentucky and also around the surrounding area. So today I'm coming to you to talk to you about this opportunity that we're going to have. It's a mentoring and training course. We're going to be starting this here really soon. You can click on the website and check it out. But also what I got to say is that there's so many great opportunities here in the state of Kentucky. There's fix and flip properties, there's wholesale properties, you can assign contracts, and there's so much opportunity in this state right now to make a lot of money in real estate. So what I'm going to do is I'd like to show you a couple examples of some deals that you can actually be done here in the state of Kentucky or in the surrounding area. So first, on this first one here, this here was a wholesale deal. This property here, we purchased the property. And within 45 days, we wholesaled it to another investor, and as you can tell on the check here, $15,649. So does that sound like a good deal to you guys? What about this one here? Next check. And as you can tell, all these dates are pretty close together within the last 45 days. So this stuff does really work here in the state of Kentucky. This one here is a fix and flip property. It took us a matter of 3 months from start to finish. And then after we arrived at the closing, we walked out with a check of $17,059. How about that? Is that something you'd like to have in your pocket right now? Well, what about this one? Check out the numbers on this one. This here is also a fix and flip here in the state of Kentucky. This one here took a matter of 90 days. So would you like to have a check within 90 days in your pocket with the amount of $47,584? Well, the last one, and the reason why I'm showing you these is because there's so much opportunity here in the state of Kentucky. If you could just have a mentor or a training course to get you through this, then I promise you guys, you should be able to do something like this also. So this last one, same thing, fix and flip. This property here was about a 90-day project. We purchased this property sight unseen on an auction site on the internet. After we purchased the property, we came in, we fixed it up. We sold it, and within 90 days, we had a check for $59,600. So what do you guys think about that? Is that some good stuff? Would you guys like to have one of those right now in your pocket today? Well, I'll tell you what, we're bringing this opportunity to you guys because we are going to start this mentor and training session so you guys sitting at home can actually do the same thing that we do here in the state of Kentucky. About the program, it's going to be a 6-month training course. And we are going to actually hold your hand for new investors, walk you through the deals. Also, for any seasoned investors, we're going to polish you up on the skills here. We're going to do a ride along, knock on doors, get deals done in other people's homes. Also, we're going to do a webinar. And with the webinar, it's going to be a 90-minute webinar. And that's actually going to be where a bunch of different investors are going to set in mentors and give you kind of different things to talk about and different things to do. And then also too, we're going to have a Saturday session. And the Saturday session, the way that's going to work is we're going to have a 6-hour training course, and you guys can ask any questions, and we're going to show you basically how we do these deals here in the state of Kentucky. So if you're looking to gain financial freedom, if you're looking to take more vacations, if you're looking to have more family time at home, well, I'll tell you what, click on the button below here on the site, and I'll tell you what, hopefully in the next 6 months, we can get you one of these in your pocket with the Believe Investment Group.